Welcome to NewBQ.
Welcome back, NewBQers. You guys ever cook for kids, or do you have kids that you have to cook for all the time like I do? Or do you just like hot dogs? Some people just like hot dogs. Not very many people just like hot dogs. Mostly kids like hot dogs. But let me tell you, this sucker here is going to revolutionize and change the world as you see it now. This is a hot dog cooker, and it's $3. It's like almost $4. But anyway, this thing is awesome, and you need to get one if you can find one. I found it at some random store that we walked through in St. Louis, and let me tell you, I've used it a couple times. It is fantastic, so you need to go get you one. That's kind of what this video is going to be about. I'm going to cook some hot dogs with this sucker and show you how it works. I'm also going to make some barbecue burgers, which my wife has been wanting for a while. But I'm going to do them a little bit different. I got a new way I want to try to make them. So anyway, stay tuned. It's going to be a short one, but it's going to be a good one. Alright, so as you can kind of see here, I got the light on here, that sauce is kind of rendered down. It's kind of separated out just a little bit more, and it looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw cheese on, and we're going to cook the hot dogs real quick. Alright, super simple. Gonna make us a hot dog here. What I like to do, in my ketchup here, and we're just gonna put a little ketchup on the inside. Okay. Take our hot dog, put that nice glorious hot dog right there in the middle. Take us some mustard. Just like that. Just a little ketchup, mustard, simple hot dog, right? Easy enough. Alright. Now, take our hamburger here, cheeseburger, barbecue burger, however you want to call it. We're just going to take one of these. Right on there. And then what I'm going to do for this one, just nothing but just put just a little bit more barbecue sauce just right on top. Just like that. Now, some people put a little lettuce or whatever on there, but I just like a little barbecue sauce. Works out pretty good, pretty simple, pretty easy. Just like that. All right, NewBQers, that is it for this episode. I'm going to take these hot dogs and hamburgers inside for the fam, and we're going to chow down. So see you guys later. And by the way, please go and find my Instagram, go and find my Facebook, NewBQ 2020 on Facebook, NewBQ 2020 on Instagram. Check them out, give me a follow, give me a like, check out some of the pictures of stuff I've done. You get to see a lot of behind the scenes stuff. But anyway, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.